So real quick, I'm just going to go over your starter circuit here. Basically, this is your safety neutral switch. Um, I have this hooked in, and I have a ground coming in, I have power coming in, and then I have the feed through. But this is the diagram for it. And basically just hooked it all up. This looks a little messy, but I'm using the ground for the relay straight through the safety neutral switch. A little bit different than what it actually is because I'm omitting the PCM here. But so basically, I'm taking ground in here and ground out here just so I can verify that this circuit is good. And I'm taking the ground from here just straight to the relay, through these pins here. And then I have, this is the ignition, where you go to the crank and it will send the 12 volts to the relay. And then I just have that hooked on, just a little switch coming from power supply, and then I have a main supply to the unit, and also I have one of the ignition circuits on, which is not in the diagram. And basically, the out for the starter motor, I just have this little DC motor here to simulate, the circuit. So I'm going to hit the ignition here, and you see it cranking like it's supposed to. You can hear the relay. If I unhook the motor here, you can hear the relay clicking. So I really don't think you have any kind of starter issue in your box unless it was intermittent. Then it's possible that it's still in there with some dirt and corrosion. But I would say your problem is probably going to lie in your switch here or in your control module, your engine control module for the starter relay out.